Hello everyone, welcome once again, and we continue with our chapter, that is applications of trigonometry, exercise 9.1. This is Preeti Garg. I welcome once again. Okay, now today in this video we will be discussing about question number 15. Now see what question number 15 says. It is, a straight highway leads to the foot of a tower. There is a highway and it leads to the foot of the tower. Say for example, this is your highway and this is the tower. This is the foot of the tower. A man standing at the top of the tower. Now there is, suppose the length of the tower is still here, and there is a man which is standing at the top of the tower, observes a car at an angle of depression of 30 degree. Now there is some car. This man observes that car at an angle of, now wait, the man is here, car is here, he is observing this car, that means angle of depression is 30 degree. Now when angle of depression 30 degree is here, we can write it 30 over here, right? Which is approaching the foot of the tower with uniform speed. Now this is the car, it is approaching the foot. यहाँ पर है कार, ये धीरे धीरे करके चल रही है, and it is approaching the foot of the tower. Say for example, now the car has reached here, right? Now with the uniform speed, and the speed of this car is uniform. So let us consider, let the speed of car is x kilometers per second or x meter per second, right? Then 6 seconds later, so after 6 seconds, the angle of depression of car is found to be 60 degree. अब कार धीरे धीरे चल रही है and it has reached over here, and this man observes the car again here and he found that this angle is depression, angle of depression here becomes 60 degree. That means this 60, that means we can write 60 here. ठीक है? Now find the time taken by car to reach the foot of the tower from this point. Now this is the point. From this point the car slowly will move and it will reach at the foot of the tower. We have to find this time. Okay? Now please understand the question once again, that you are having or you are given a tower. At the top of a tower a man is standing, and this is the road, this is the highway. On this highway there is a car which is moving in this direction. It is moving and it is moving and it is moving, and after 6 seconds it reaches over here at this point. Fine. Now when the man was standing here, he observes that this car for the first time, he observes that angle of depression. Angle of depression आप लोग को पता है, जब ऊपर से नीचे की तरफ देखते हैं तो वो angle of depression होता है, और वो बनता कहाँ पर है? At the normal. But still this line and this line is parallel, so we write this angle here. This is 30 degree, sorry, not 60 degree, 30 degree. Fine. Now after 6 seconds, when the car comes still here, the man again observes it and he finds that this angle changes from 30 to 60 degree. 6 seconds के बाद, and the speed is uniform. Now still it is 60 degree, but still it is moving. वो चलती रहेगी and finally the car will reach here. We have to find this time. कि यहाँ तक तो 6 सेकंड में पहुँची है, अब आगे कितनी देर बाद पहुँचेगी, right? We have to find this time. चलिए. So now what to do? First let us consider, let this AB be a tower. Let AB be a tower of height h. Let us consider that this height is h. Fine. We have taken that the speed is uniform. Uniform का मतलब जितना भी वो चल रही है वो एक ही स्पीड से चल रही है. तो I have taken that speed as x meter per second. Right? Now let this point be C and let this point be D. Now look carefully, that speed of a car फ्रॉम पॉइंट C to D कितना रहेगा x, एंड टाइम टेकन by it from point C to D is 6 seconds. That means distance traveled कितना रहेगा, distance traveled from C to D. What is the formula for finding the distance? Distance is speed into time. That means x t meter. Fine, meter per second. This is the distance. This distance is xt. I hope there is no problem in this. Also, distance travels from D to B. D to B का distance कितना है, हमें नहीं पता कितना है. This we don't know, but we know that speed कितनी है इसमें, x ही रहेगी, x मीटर पर सेकेंड. और लेट अस कंसिडर कि टाइम कितना लिया है उसने, t सेकेंड्स. तो स्पीड डिस्टेंस कितना आ जाएगा इस केस में, डिस्टेंस इज इक्वल्स टू एक्स टी. नाउ फ्रॉम हियर टू हियर द डिस्टेंस इज एक्स टी मीन्स x 6x is 6x and this is 6 and this is speed is x only and time we have taken as t. So that means this distance is 6x and this distance is tx. ये तो डिस्टेंस निकला, हमें इसका टाइम की वैल्यू निकालनी. टाइम को हमने कंसिडर तो कर लिया t, बट वी हैव टू फाइंड द वैल्यू फॉर t. राइट नाउ look carefully once again that we are having like this. This is h. Now this is 6x and this is xt. I hope this is understood why this is 6x and why is it xt. This is speed, this is time and time into speed is distance. तो यहाँ से यहाँ तक का डिस्टेंस हो गया 6x और यहाँ से यहाँ तक का डिस्टेंस हो गया xt. और अब हम लेंगे अलग अलग दो ट्राइंगल्स. कौन कौन से हैं वो दो ट्राइंगल्स? पहले लेट अस टेक इन ट्राइंगल ABC, बड़े वाला ट्राइंगल लेते हैं ABC. ABC में अगर हम लेते हैं दैट वी हैव tan 30 डिग्री, विल इट बी इक्वल्स टू AB अपॉन CB. वैल्यू ऑफ tan 30 इज 1 अपॉन √3 एंड AB इज h एंड CB कितना है आपके पास 6x प्लस xt. राइट, दैट मीन्स h √3 बिकम्स 6x प्लस xt और h इज इक्वल्स टू 6x plus xt upon √3. This is your equation number 1. Now we take another triangle. In triangle ABD, if we take tan 60 degree will be equals to AB upon DB. Tan 60 is √3, AB is h, DB is, how much is DB? कितना है ये DB? xt. That means h is equals to √3 xt. Right? Now if we see equation number 1 and equation number 2, both are the values for h and h will be same. h अलग अलग थोड़ी ना होगा. h चाहे हम इस वाले ट्राइंगल से फाइंड करें चाहे दूसरे वाले ट्राइंगल से फाइंड करें, so h is going to be same. That means we equate both the equations. इक्वेटिंग 1 and 2, 1 और 2 को इक्वेट करेंगे तो क्या आएगा हमारे पास कि 6x प्लस xt अपॉन √3 इज इक्वल्स टू √3 xt. एंड ऑन सॉल्विंग दिस व्हाट विल वी गेट, 6x प्लस xt इज इक्वल्स टू 3xt. नाउ दिस ऑल्सो इज xt, दिस ऑल्सो इज xt. ब्रिंग दिस xt दिस साइड. This becomes 2xt. Now 6x, x and x cancels from here, we get 2t or 6 upon 2 is equals to t or t is equals to 3 seconds. Fine. This is the value for time. That means the car will take 3 seconds on moving a distance of db. ठीक है, आई होप दिस इज क्लियर. एक बार और जल्दी से समझते हैं. देखिए, दिस इज अ टार. ये कोई कार है. कार टार की तरफ आ रही है. यहाँ से लेकर यहाँ तक आ जाती है 6 सेकेंड्स में और स्पीड है उसकी x. तो डिस्टेंस कितना बन जाएगा? 6x. यहाँ से यहाँ पहुँचने का टाइम बताना है. लेट इट बी t. और यहाँ से यहाँ पहुँचने की जो स्पीड है वो है x. तो डिस्टेंस कितना बन जाएगा? tx और xt. और ये हाइट आपने ले रखी है h. ये आपके पास एंगल है और ये आपके पास एंगल है. ये एंगल है 30 डिग्री और ये एंगल है 60 डिग्री. एक बार इस बड़े वाले ट्राइंगल से h की वैल्यू निकाल दो, एक बार इस छोटे वाले से h की वैल्यू निकाल दो. वी हैव गॉट दीज टू वैल्यूज. इन दोनों को व्हेन यू विल इक्वेट एंड देन ऑन सॉल्विंग वी गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ टाइम एज 3 seconds. Fine. I hope this question is clear. Please try the question. Okay. Try the same question and try other questions also similar to this. All right, children. Bye bye.